The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus is priced from $374,900 before on-road costs, which is $1,721 more than the previous generation AMG SL 63 when it was last sold in 2018. For the first time in over 20 years, the SL comes with a fabric soft top instead of a metal hard top. By doing this, Mercedes-AMG has shaved off 21 kilograms. The roof can open or close in 15 seconds at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. This SL brings back a 2+2 seating configuration that was last available as an option on the 4th generation SL. The back seats in the next-gen SL apparently provide enough space for passengers up to 1.5 meters tall, so best for small children or big bags. This SL rides on a completely new aluminium composite spaceframe platform known as the Modular Sports Architecture (MSA) that'll also underpin the next AMG GT coupe.